Today we're in Science Chapter 2, Lesson 2. Today we're going to talk about how animals grow and change. So you need your book. We'll be on this page. It's page 44. Today we're going to take page 44, talking about the life cycle of how an animal grows and changes over its life. Make sure you have your notes out. We'll be on page 5 at the top here. Lesson 2. How do animals grow and change? Different animals have their young in different ways, but all animals grow and change during their life cycles. An animal's life starts out as an egg. Sometimes, the egg develops into a young animal inside the mother. Then, the mother gives birth to a live young. For example, for other animals, the mother lays an egg outside her body. Then, the young develops in the egg and hatches when it's ready. Some animals hatch or are born. When some animals hatch or are born, they look like their parents. Many other animals change a lot before they look anything like their parents. We'll see some examples of those later, but today let's look at those life cycles. So, our life cycle stages. 1, birth. Animals are either born or they hatch. Think of an animal like a dog. That would be an animal that's born. An animal that hatches, that would be like a bird. All right, so birth, animals are born or hatch. An animal's life starts out as an egg. Everyone starts out as an egg. Now, sometimes that egg develops inside the mother. Sometimes that egg develops outside the mother. So 1, birth. Right? For humans, think like a baby. Next, growth. Animals get bigger. Right? That's like you right now. You're growing and getting bigger. Next, after that, we'd have development. That's when animals are changing into adults. A different amount of time for different animals, but we have development. Then we have reproduction, where animals produce young. And then we have death. Animals' lives come to an end. Now, up here you see an example of a life cycle of a chicken. Now, a chicken, you can see a hen lays eggs, so that's an egg that's developing outside of mom. Then that egg becomes a hatchling. After it hatches, it becomes a chick, and then when it becomes an adult, it's either a rooster or a hen. All right, then it would potentially lay more eggs, and that cycle would just keep going around and around. We're going to stop there because tomorrow we're going to get into more information about a butterfly's life cycle.